Hello, I'm Jake Norman from OAL. It's very interesting being part of Innovation Alley, especially because it's a multi-industry event. You get to see different perspectives, and you can see then how different technologies that are currently being used very extensively in sort of automotive industries could be applied more effectively in the food industry to make our industry more efficient. So KTN have supported OAL over the last 5 or 6 years in really helping us secure Innovate UK funding. We've been very successful at this, winning approximately £4.5 million worth of Innovate UK government-funded projects, which have been around focusing on using digital technologies and automation in the food industry. And KTN have been able to support us by offering lots of helpful advice and expertise on how to make those applications really stand out. Digital manufacturing is one of those buzzwords that if you're in the food industry, it can seem a bit distant actually about what that means, because quite often there's such a lot of manual handling and manual interactions and human interventions in these processes. So what we're really engaging manufacturers with is solutions that are proven in the field to help them digitalise their food businesses. One of those areas is on ingredient handling. So rather than having people weighing out powders by hand, we've got robotic solutions to automate that process. And the second is then on the packaging line in terms of getting the right date code and the right packaging information on your finished products.